Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So we keep getting a lot of roofs coming in, and this is on a Grand Design Solitude. This is on a 2021. It was produced in May of 2021. And so as you can see, Dave is still in the process of putting it all back together. He's got the rubber membrane on there. You know, he hasn't tucked it all tight and all that, but he's got the front molding getting ready. It's flipped upside down. He's getting ready to put that back on. And he's got the side moldings on, and I can see that he's still got like his solvent cleaner and some of his other stuff back there, his Cosmo. So he's putting this thing all back together and getting it done. I'm not sure what happened on this one. Periodically I'm in and out. So besides running the business, I do go out on the side and do expert witness stuff for lawsuits, that I get hired for. And so sometimes I'm popping in and out. Oh man, they got an awning that's crunched too. I think I remember this one now. I think it damaged this awning, damaged the roof. Oh yeah, and it also damaged this awning back here as well. So they definitely impacted something. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. We do have a lot of cameras that record all the time. Sometimes the footage is hard to get to because there's so much of it, but this is just one of our shops. We've got technically three. We've got this back building back here. We got these 3 bays here. There's more bays on the other side of the other building, our 200 location. And so up inside here, we've got cameras in the corners. We've got cameras up on top. We've got cameras on the sides. We got cameras up in the roof, hid out over here. There's another one over here, hid out. There's one in the back. There's one here. There's one over there. There's several over here. That's just on the inside. And that's just for us to use that footage if we decide to for our posts and hey, if I need to go back and look at who worked on this roof or what he was doing, or in case they got hurt or fell or whatever, I have all that footage. So anyways, stay tuned for more. I hope you'll enjoy these videos. Like I said, we're going to start doing more educational videos. So the thing I always tell people is we have plenty of work. A lot of the time in our industry, it's the technicians that are so hard to come by because it's stuff that takes decades to learn this stuff. And most of us here, so we don't have like a high turnaround here, but most of us here have, 20 plus years experience. I'm at 26 now and counting. Not counting, my background from architecture and engineering and mechanics and other various stuff I did growing up. And my father was a general contractor as well. So, just saying, hey, just RVs, I got my full CV online if you want to learn more about me. But all my guys here have tons of experience and knowledge. And, we all kind of mesh together to accomplish all this work that comes through here. But we're going to try to start educating you guys as much as you can so that all the basic stuff you guys can handle. So our not our joke, but our thing is like, hey, fix what you can fix, and whatever you can't fix, have us fix. So there's tons of business out there. People are always contacting us and coming in, and we do, other than doing our social media stuff, we don't really advertise. It's just word of mouth. And because we're not here to screw around and we're doing it right. We're not trying to overcharge or any of that kind of fun stuff. So, there's an empty bay in here, but if I walk you out in the parking lot, we're full. And I think we are, we're booked out for, a couple months, right? And so, there's lots of units. There's a reflection getting ready to get a new roof, a Nash. That reflection over there is fairly new. We'll go into that later, but, there's a whole yard full of stuff out here. And there's a tracker that's doing a bunch of work that I'll do some more videos on. Outdoors RV, another Solitude, again, that reflection over there, another reflection, an Outdoors RV, a reflection, a Solitude, another reflection, looks like another Solitude, Cedar Creek, another Solitude, another reflection, a Columbus, a Shockwave. Hey Dave, didn't mean to leave you hanging with a knuckle bump. I'm doing recording. So anyways, there's plenty of stuff here. This guy's getting brakes and suspension work. That reflection over there is getting some major frame repairs. There's a couple that just pulled in today. So, we're pretty busy. So anyways, will you stay tuned for more? This is Dustin, your RV specialist, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day.